Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. So in today's video I have got something really simple to go ahead and share with you. Like most things I share on this channel, this is absolutely free to get started with. It's available worldwide. You do not need any skills to get started with this. It takes a couple of minutes to sign up, and once you've signed up you can start potentially earning some extra money. Now in this video I'm going to show you the website, I'm going to show you the process, I'm going to show you exactly how you can earn some extra money from doing so, and then I'm also going to share a blog article with you which I found about an hour ago when I was doing some research into this company. Now before we jump into the video, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. On the screen you're looking at one of my blogs. Now if you're interested in making money online and working from home, over here I've got a members area. I've got lots of free resources in here for earning some extra money online and working from home. There's ebooks, there's PDFs, there's courses, there's lots in there, so if you want that, go ahead and check out this members area. And also I upload a minimum of 5 videos to YouTube a week, so if you're looking for simple ways to earn some extra money online, subscribe to the channel and then you'll never miss when I upload new content. So let's go ahead and jump into today's video. So the website we're looking at today is this one here, and it's called PickyDomains.com. So how this works is business owners, bloggers, entrepreneurs, companies who maybe are looking at starting a new brand or a new business, they come to this website here, and what happens is they will put all their information about their new project or their new website, and they will put all of that onto PickyDomains, and then you simply go ahead and you give suggestions for that brand or that name. And you can see a few examples down here. So these are some of the names that people have picked on this website here for them. So the companies come on here, and you can see here it's risk-free to the company. So they will come on here, they will put all of their content on here, and then everyone on the website can go ahead and give them suggestions for that new company or that new business. And then what happens is you go ahead and you earn money if that company picks your suggestion. But what I also like about this is you can also earn some extra money even if your name isn't picked as the winner. You go ahead and you earn 25 cents for every time a business owner or a blogger or an entrepreneur simply likes your suggestion. So if they like your suggestion, you earn 25 cents. Now if you're picked as the winner, you can go ahead and earn up to, well, it says you can earn up to $100, and I'll show you that in a second. But if I'm on the website here, so you can scroll down here, and they've got the usual stuff on here. They've got a blog, they've got news. The news here, this is basically, it redirects you over to the press. So they've got different articles on here where they've been featured on different blogs, different websites, different PR sites. And you can, like I said, you can go ahead and you can check all of this out yourself. But getting started with this company, it's simple. All you do is go to the top here, and you click on Make Money with PickyDomains. That will take you through to this page here, and it's just a sign up page. And you've got username, email, password, confirm your password. Scroll down, and then you've got name, PayPal address, and then you've got terms and conditions on here. Now on the terms and conditions, there's a couple of things I just want to point out to you on here. So the first one is this one here, the payout. So you can see here, this is how much you can expect to earn. So the payout is set at between 40% and 60% of the amount of money which is paid to PickyDomains by the client. So you can earn between 40 and 60%, and I'll show you an example of that in a second. And then in terms of payment, you get paid within 30 to 45 days after payment has been requested. So it's not the quickest way of being paid, but you see it gets paid within 30 to 45 days. So once you've done all of this, you go through and you click on Create New Account. And then what happens is you go into the back office in the dashboard, and you will see all of these different basically competitions. And there's all these different competitions on here, and you click on them, you have a read of the company, what it is that they're trying to do, what it is that they're planning on doing, and then you simply give them a suggestion for their domain. So the domain would be this one up here. So this domain up here is PickyDomains. That's the name of this website. So you're just simply going to go ahead and give them suggestions for their domain. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, you can also earn 25 cents every time somebody goes ahead and likes your suggestion. So you don't even need to give them the winning domain name. You can also earn money just by getting likes on your suggestions on here. Now I'm just going to go over here. So this is the frequently asked questions, and again I'll drop links to absolutely everything below for you. Now if I come down here, there's a couple of things that I wanted to share with you, and I'll just go through here. So yeah, so they pay via PayPal at this point, and they only pay via PayPal. So you see here it says, I can't receive PayPal payments in my country, can you help me? In short, no. If you don't have PayPal, then unfortunately you can't go ahead and do this. Now, again, I'll drop a link below to this for you so you can go through and have a look at this and have a read of this. Now, when I was doing the research on this company, I found, where is it? It's here. Okay, so I apologise if this site runs a bit slow. The reason being is this site here is just populated with so many ads. It's extremely annoying, and it just makes the website run very, very slow. That's one of the reasons why I don't have ads on my blog, because it's an absolute nightmare. So let's just see if we can scroll down without this lagging. So if we come down here, so how much does PickyDomains pay? So it says here, how much you earn and get paid really depends. So, and it talks about some factors, but basically, all of the orders which are on the website, they're all set at different prices, and most range from $25 to $100. Now you see here, you can expect to earn 40 to 60% of the order price. So for an example is, if you're new on the website and you win a $50 order, you'll get paid 40%, so $20. So you see here where it says between 40% and 60%. This is like absolutely anything. When you first start on the website, you're going to earn 40%, and then once you've participated in a few of these different competitions and you start giving more suggestions, you then go up the earning. You then got the ranks, if you like, and then you can earn more money from doing so. So you start on 40% and it goes up to 60%. This is the bit that I really like. Even if you don't win an order, you can still earn. You'll get paid up to 25 cents when a client likes your suggestion but doesn't choose it as a winner. So that there is over on Full-Time Job. I'll drop a link to this below. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. But like I say, expect your page to run really, really slow just from the sheer amount of ads that they've got on here. So it talks of sending more than one suggestion to every single category on there. So when you see a job on there, what you can do is, instead of just sending one suggestion, you can send up to, I think it said you can send up to 5 suggestions for every competition on the page. So go ahead and check that out. So let me come off this page here. So now this page has become unresponsive. That is why you don't have ads on your website or blog. They're an absolute nightmare. Let me come out of that. So we'll go back over to here. So that there is pretty much today's video. It's really simple, it's really easy. You're not going to go ahead and earn lots of money from doing so. It's another simple way, and it's a free way how you can potentially earn some extra money working from home and online. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching today's video, and I shall see you tomorrow.